Hi guys, it's me, Miss Mason, here to talk to you about our next project, and this is going to be a standing animal. So, your supplies, materiales que necesitan, that you need: paper, papel, scissors, tijeras, glue or tape, pegamento o cinta, and pencil or lápiz. Okay? Now, I'm going to use construction paper. You can use any kind of paper, but heavier paper like construction paper or drawing paper or even printer paper are better than notebook paper, but you could probably make notebook paper work. So I'm going to use brown because we're making an animal, so it's going to be brown. And I'm going to fold it in half, en medio, okay, like a taco, como un taco, okay? All right, there we go. Not like a hot dog, like a taco. All right, then I'm going to use my pencil and I'm going to draw an arch, un arco. Okay, so I will put this down and show you on the table. So my arch, mi arco, is going to be at the open side, a la abierta, okay? Okay, like that. Can you guys see that? Yes. Okay. At the open side. Okay. Then I'm going to cut that. And I'm going to cut both papers, los dos papeles. Okay, see that? Los dos. Okay, cut that out. Okay, save these. You need those. Okay, now this is why I cut on the open side. So it stands up. Now I have 4 legs, okay, but it doesn't stand real well. So I'm going to fold some flaps, okay, and you can fold them out. This will help it stand a little better. Try to make them in the same place. See that? Okay. Okay. Mejor. Okay. Then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut just a little, poquito. Okay, just a little bit right in the fold. Okay, just a little bit. And the other side, el otro lado, poquito. Okay. And then I'm going to fold those pieces back. Okay. And notice I folded right over that bottom. Okay. Now I need to do this side. Now the reason why we did that is so we have a place to stick our animal's head. What? I know. Just watch and see. Okay, and the last one. So you fold all 4. Okay, and then it stands up. Okay, see the front and the back. Okay, now I told you you need your scraps. I'm going to move this out of our way. Okay. All right, these are for the head and the tail. Wow, okay. So you get to make your animal any animal you want. You can make a dog, perro, a cat, gato, a horse, caballo, what else? A tiger, tigre, a lion, león, any animal, okay? I'm going to make a horse. So I'm going to draw a horse head, real big, muy grande, on here, okay? So put that down. Let's see, top of the horse head, ear, ear. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm going to make this side a little wider though. Erase. Miss Mason erases a lot. Okay, so there's my horse head, and I'm going to draw some eyes and his nose. Oh, this looks kind of funny. I'm going to fix that too. That's better. Okay. And there's my horse head. Okay, and then you cut that out. There we go. And now I'm going to tape this or glue it to here, okay? If you have tape, that is definitely going to be easier. If you don't, then you'll have to glue. Okay, so I made a loop, and I'm going to stick that on like that. Okay, so there's my horse. Actually, he looks kind of like a dog, doesn't he? Oh well, that's okay. All right, now I need the tail. So I'll use my other piece, and I'll make a tail. Now remember how we learned, oh wait, no, we haven't. Okay, so I'm going to cut some fringe for my tail, which means I'm just going to do some cuts. Lots of cuts. Okay. All right, and then I can kind of mush it, make his tail look more like a tail. All right, now I need some more tape or glue. Okay. And I'm going to stick that tail right there. And now my horse has a head and a tail. And that is my standing animal. Okay, see how he stands up all by himself? All right, so that's what we're making today, guys. Now you can make any animal you want, okay? You can use any paper you want, and I hope you have fun doing that, okay? All right, thanks, guys.